Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken pool. First, you'll need to embark on the Oceanic Depths main quest line and see it through to completion. This quest will guide you through the initial stages of underwater exploration. Next, gather 50 abyssal pearls by exploring various deep-sea zones. These are crucial components. Finally, ensure your adventure rank is at least 30, as this unlocks the necessary regions for further progress. Once you've completed the initial steps, your journey continues into the sunken grotto. You'll find its entrance nestled within the Eastern Reef System. Be prepared to face the formidable Tidal Guardian boss. Defeating it is essential to advance. After the battle, you must solve 3 intricate ancient water flow puzzles. Successfully completing these will unlock the gates leading deeper into the grotto. With the grotto explored, it's time to activate the Kraken pool. First, collect 15 coral fragments from the unique glowing flora scattered across the grotto floor. Then, proceed to the Altar of Tides, where you will place both your collected abyssal pearls and coral fragments. The final step involves using a hydrosigil artifact to activate the ancient mechanism, bringing the pool to life. Congratulations! Upon successful activation, the magnificent Kraken pool will majestically emerge from the depths, revealing its full splendor. Approach and interact with the newly formed pool to claim your exclusive and rare rewards, which often include unique artifacts and powerful enhancements. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your gaming setup and everyday life. Don't miss out on these great offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.